guys, I'm Ritika and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So finally, after 2 months, I'm filming something for my YouTube. और इससे ज़्यादा खुशी मुझे इससे पहले कभी नहीं मिली. Trust me, guys. But I wasn't so regular. Like I wasn't even though posting anything on YouTube because I was a bit regular on my Instagram, and then being that regular and maintaining that continuity on Instagram and on YouTube is bit difficult. Like I found that bit difficult. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then go and follow me right now. You'll find the link in the description box. So now coming on today's video. लिंक पढ़ के तो आप सबको समझ में आ ही गया होगा कि आज की वीडियो किस बारे में है. So as we all know, Rakhi is nearby, like hardly we have 8 or 10 days left. So I'm going to share with you all my 5 or 6 best online stores to shop for Raksha Bandhan or to shop for any of the festivals or for anything. Like they are the best online stores, and I believe more in online shopping. So yes, without wasting more time, let's just get into the video. So starting with Amazon, हम सब ने Amazon कहीं ना कहीं यूज किया है. Like for Amazon groceries, Amazon pantry, और as Amazon के electronics, we all have used Amazon. But हम लोग ना हमेशा एक चीज नहीं यूज करते Amazon के, that is Amazon clothing. And I personally feel that Amazon clothing is very nice. I have tried that, and if you're looking for a kurta or kurta set, then you should invest into Amazon because they have very nice collection. And then Amazon ka material is very nice. Again, I personally prefer from their cotton wear. I have ordered and I'll get it by tomorrow or day after tomorrow maybe. And thirdly, Amazon ka delivery process is very fast, like within 2 days or 3 days they deliver. Sometimes it happens कि तुमने आज order किया तुम्हें कल ही मिल जाएगा. Then उनका return, refund or cancellation process is very simple and it's very nice. So yes, for Amazon, a big thumbs up. Next is Flipkart. Talking about Flipkart, Flipkart do exist, guys. Because for me, it was like Flipkart का existence एकदम से बंद हो गया था, पता नहीं क्यों. I stopped using Flipkart, but yes, in this lockdown, I was supposed to use Flipkart for the groceries because I wasn't finding my all groceries on one app. So I went to Flipkart and I just tried my luck and I got from there. So on Flipkart that day only I saw their collection. They have a huge collection and that collection is so amazing. Like if you want to, not only for any festival, but if you want to buy from there for your college wear, your office wear, your daily house wear, you'll find it in a very affordable rate. सेकेंडली जब भी उनका डिलीवरी होता है तुम्हारे फोन पे हमेशा एक पिन आएगा which you have to give them, then only you will get your order, and that is one of the very nice option. Like security purpose is best. Then coming on the delivery, there is one more problem on Flipkart, that is तुम्हारे ऑर्डर कई बार एक एक दो हफ्ते भी लेट हो जाते हैं, and उनका रिटर्न, cancellation and refund is nice. Material of clothes is nice. Cotton materials are love over there. And somewhere you will find Amazon और Flipkart के collections थोड़े बहुत same होंगे, but there will be a huge difference of price. Like तुम्हें Amazon पे वही चीज महंगी मिल रही होगी और Flipkart पे वही चीज सस्ती मिल रही होगी, and quality दोनों का same रहता है. So Flipkart is more affordable than Amazon. Next, coming on, one of the this page I came across Instagram only. This is thread. Just a minute. Thread and button. So this is a page on Instagram. I'll link this down because this is very nice. And thread and button, like they have a good range of clothing. their starting range is around 1000 or 2000. Unka delivery is very nice. Again, their material are very nice. Their designs are very unique. Like, I found that personally very nice thing over there, that they have a unique designs. So yes, a big thumbs up for Thread and Button. And yes, go and shop right away from Thread and Button, obviously. Next, coming on, one of my favorite online shopping app. Yes, this is my favorite shopping app, और मैं ये तुम्हें सिर्फ इंडियन वेयर के लिए सजेस्ट नहीं करूंगी. Go purchase from there your shoes, your footwear, your accessories, your clothes, your like shirts, jeans, anything go and purchase. Men, female किसी में भी जाके खरीद लो यार, उनका quality is such a nice quality. Then they have such an amazing delivery process, which comes in like last to last they'll take 4 days, but yes, it's very nice. You'll get the confirmation on your mail and obviously on your mobile number and in their app. And yes, you might be wondering about which app I'm talking, then that is Ajio. Talking about Ajio की कुर्तीज के मटेरियल इतने अच्छे हैं, इतने ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. And then they have this what we say कॉटन मटेरियल. अगेन मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. मैंने आजियो से ऑर्डर किया था और मुझे मेरे सारे ऑर्डर्स ऑलमोस्ट मिल गए हैं. इफ यू वांट टू सी देम देन कमेंट बिलो, आई show you guys. I won't mind showing you. Then last but not the least, my favorite and हम सबका favorite, that is, guess करो, that is Myntra. So Myntra is such a nice app. Like मेरे सारे Indian wear, almost all of my Indian wears are from Myntra. You can go and check it out on my even the Instagram page. All of my Indian wears, all of my t-shirts for my college are from Myntra. I rarely buy them from like this on like what do we say from malls or anywhere else. I buy them basically from Myntra. Myntra के कपड़े बहुत प्यारे हैं. उनका size, उनका fitting, everything will come perfectly. And yes, that is it. Here we come to an end of this video. Go and shop for this Raksha Bandhan. And if you're going to try any of these apps and you are going to style your outfit, then do tag me in your stories. I'll repost them on my page. Do follow me on Instagram. And if you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Yaar, like kar dena. So I'll see you in another video. Till then, stay safe, stay at your home, and happy Raksha Bandhan. If I don't make a video before Raksha Bandhan, then happy Raksha Bandhan in advance. Yeah, that's it. Bye.